guys, this is Shubham, and today I just want to go to unpack this order which I bought from Amazon.com. So I wanna just go to unpack this. Oh, yeah. So you can see this is Sony's Bluetooth headphone, wireless with the NFC support. Getting closer, so the details of headphones. Community headphone model MDR-ZX330BT. There you can get Sony 1-year warranty, NFC with Bluetooth, hands-free phone calls, wireless, music playback time maximum 30 hours. This is the special feature of this headphone. You can still listen music or talking with your cell phone up to 30 hours. Okay, so I'm going to unbox this. Okay, so this is time to get, and yeah, okay, this is the warranty manual of Sony. The charging cable is the user manual of Sony. Start guide. So let's see. This is the my beauty. Seeing shiny like sun. You can fold this through this way. That okay. So there is some of function of this headphone. Just yeah, you can see this is the power button, the micro USB, charging mic, volume plus minus button, and there is the music play, calling. You can click the call goes this way, same way by pushing this, and is the forward and backward button of music. Okay, the Sony logo, this is some shiny Bluetooth logo, and there is the Sony another logo and NFC supported. So basically I noticed this because Sony promises that I can get 30 hours of playback time in this headphone. So this is the very better of battery life. So I chooses this model. Okay. Now let's I try to on this. So power on. Power button. Just press this. It is now going to pairing mode. Okay, so there is my cell phone. Yeah, just put it on. Go to settings menu, settings, Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth, and it's try to search it. Yeah, you can see this is the MDR-ZX330BT model. So I have to just click this. Yeah, connected.